Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to tap on General Management, then Language and Input, on-screen keyboard, and finally keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Samsung one. Over here, go into Smart Typing and click on the switcher next to Predictive Text. Autocorrection is now turned off. If you want to turn it on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!